and welcome back to my channel. It is Joni from the blog simplelivingmama.com, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 3 simple and easy meals with ingredients from Aldi. These are classic, simple, healthy meals that I think that you will enjoy, and they're relatively inexpensive too because everything comes from Aldi. So stay tuned while I show you what we have. So the first meal that I'm making is tostadas. And basically what I'm going to do is just brown up this roll of ground beef. And I have the Aldi tostada chips and some flour tortillas. I'm browning up the ground beef. And I'm going to do my own taco seasoning with some chicken bouillon, some chili powder, some ground cumin, and some garlic powder, and then I'm going to throw in a little smoked paprika. So for those who don't want the tostada shells, I have some flour tortillas, so they can just make some soft tacos. I am going to be eating the tostada shells. I've got some cheddar cheese and some chunky salsa, all from Aldi. Now, you would normally put refried beans on this, but I don't really like refried beans, so I didn't make them. So I'm just going to do some ground beef and then sort of build it like a taco with some lettuce, some tomatoes, some onion, and some cheese and salsa, and that is our very first meal. Super simple. Okay, so our second Aldi meal is a super simple baked pork chop along with some stir-fried squash and onions. I got these pork chops from Aldi. I am cooking up 2 packs. These are bone-in pork chops. I'm going to start by seasoning them and then searing them in my cast iron skillet. Once I get them seared, I'm going to finish cooking them in the oven just by baking them at 425 until the meat thermometer reads 165. I'm also going to make sort of like a stir-fried squash, and basically all I do is I take the yellow squash and I cut it up and I saute it with some chopped onion. I add a little bit of water so it can sort of like stew, so it doesn't, burn. It's not just fried. It gets real soft and mushy. Season it with whatever you want. I like to use salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and that's it. This meal was just baked pork chop, the squash, and then some rice. Inexpensive, yet healthy and delicious. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this dinner. My camera was dead, so I didn't get to film the prep. But I basically just did a sheet pan dinner. I did chopped potatoes, onions, some mushrooms, some carrots, and then some frozen broccoli, all from Aldi. And then I used a package of their frozen chicken breasts, which were already sliced fairly thin. And what I did was I seasoned them. I used garlic powder, salt and pepper, and then some thyme. And then I also added some Montreal. It's chicken seasoning, which is not at Aldi's, but all the other stuff is, I think. And I just baked it in the oven until everything was cooked through. And then this is how we eat it, just in a bowl with the veggies on the bottom, the nice yummy roasted vegetables, carrots, mushrooms, potatoes, onions, and then the chicken on top. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed learning about these different recipes. They're super simple. I will have them listed down below if you guys need an actual recipe to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.